Welcome back to another day at Topcast. We're all susceptible to the laws governing the universe, including the law of attraction. Right? And as far as we know, the law of attraction is our ability to attract whatever we are emitting into the universe. Basically, what we think and feel manifests into tangible things and real-life events. This is why it's so important to know how to use the law of attraction and the latest advances in neuroscience to retrain our brains for higher levels of success and happiness. The truth is, the law of attraction isn't as simple as placing an online order or sending a prayer out into the universe. This powerful law is more than just seeing yourself living in abundance and then, out of thin air, attracting $1 million. Then what is the number one law of attraction secret for actually getting the things to work for you? Let's take a look on that. When it comes to the law of attraction, creative visualization matters. But the energy of your vibration matters more. Think of how when you play a piano, it's possible to make a chandelier in the dining room vibrate. This is due to resonance, the prolongation of sound by the synchronous vibration of a neighboring object. The law of attraction has a lot to do with resonance, too. For the powers of manifestation to work in your favor, you must literally get in tune with what you truly want. Yes, it all comes down to getting your mind, body, and spirit in resonance with what you want to achieve in this lifetime. Now let's look at how to get your vibe to resonate with your vision. Everything is energy. That's the number one rule of the world. Energy is neither created or destroyed. It's the cause and effect of itself. It's present of all places of all times. Energy is in constant motion and never rests. It is forever moving from one form to another. Concentration, commitment, and focus increase your vibration for success. When you're laser focused and totally committed to achieving your goals, you start to activate the trillions of cells in your body, which creates energy. And whatever is in harmony with your energy becomes your reality. Keep this thing in your mind every time. The energy you emit attracts the things, people, events, and experiences that resonate with your vibe. Your brain is an electromagnetic signal station that receives light and images through your eyes and vibration and sound through your ears. Successful people go inward to create a visual and written description of what they want to manifest on the outside. Our physical world is a manifestation of our internal world. But this is the thing. You don't always get what you think about most. You get what you resonate with most. People who accelerate are the ones who learn how to get their electromagnetic signals in tune, so they can achieve what they visualize and focus on each and every day. When your brain zooms in on accomplishing a goal, it deletes everything that isn't aligned with hitting the target. But to achieve your dreams, your goals and the emotions behind your goals need to be set to the same frequency. Does that make sense? Providing clarity for your brain is the equivalent of tuning into the goal achievement channel. A clear mindset for success along with the right emotions for wanting to be successful eliminates any static, so you can easily receive the information, resources, and other valuable things the universe sends your way. To get your vibe in tune with your vision, you may have to redo your belief system. Your thoughts are electromagnetic waves of energy that penetrate time and space. Whatever is going on in your mind and heart is a reflection of what is going on physically and externally, so you have to work very hard to attract the things you want, rather than the things that you may usually think about. Struggles, lack, hardship, dissatisfaction, disease, and more. If you want to dance through life in rhythm with your vision, you must also hone your skills and take daily action. You can begin to use the power of the unseen world to create your ideal life and business, but there's a crucial aspect that so many people miss. The law of attraction cannot work effectively unless you also follow the law of action. Nothing will happen unless you get off your butt and do something. To utilize the law of attraction for your benefit, you must raise your level of consciousness and implement a smart plan of action. You need a solid plan with the right strategies, tactics, timeline, tools, and resources to succeed. Yes, this takes hard work and stretches beyond your daydreams and creative visualization practice. By taking daily action toward your dreams, you're not only chipping away at tasks to get you closer to reaching your goals, but you're also generating the positive energy needed for the universe to align the right things for you in the right order at just the right time. And here. It's not magic, it's all about science. The law of attraction can have a positive effect on our emotions, moods, relationships, and lifestyle. And when you learn how to harness unconscious competence and program your mind to automatically execute wealth, health, and relationship-attracting actions while performing at your highest level of genius, you'll know the real positive power of the law of attraction. The law of attraction works in your benefit when you start living with certainty and confidence that you can achieve what your heart truly desires. There are different ways to apply the law of attraction, just like there are different ways to test the law of gravity. You can use gravity to have fun flying in your wingsuit, or you can misuse gravity by slipping on a banana peel and getting hurt. Please subscribe our channel because we are planning to give you more exercises and mental healing programs in future to attract more in law of attraction to your life. So subscribers only get notifications on our future posts. Hope you enjoy this video. So please share the video with your loved ones. And also don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button to get notified about further updates. See you next time.